In this video, I'm going to show you how to break a line in Affinity. Now I'm going to show you how to do it both for a line and if a line is inside an object, so bear with me. Now, first things first, a line over here, you want to select that line. You want to go to the Vector tab, and on the left here, you want to select the Node tool. And then the node tool, you want to just go ahead and click where you want the break to be. So as you can see here, it's basically showing like a line whenever I hover over it. So let's say I want a break over here directly where it's currently showing. So I can just go a bit to the left like that, click, and then to the right a bit and click again. And if I want the break to be in between here, you just simply have to hold down your Control key, click on anywhere here in between, and what's going to happen is, as you can see, it basically broke the line. So that's the first thing you can do. However, the second one is if you're using an object, you could go ahead and select that object. Up top, you want to click on where it says Convert to Curves. And then here again, you can go to your node tool, and you want to click on, let's say you want to make a break in here in between. You can select the first corner, hold down your shift key, and then the second corner as well. And then up top, you will have an option which will basically say break curve. Okay, so if you do break curve, this will basically create a separate curve, and I can now move this around like this. So as you can see, this is now pretty much a separate line here, and I can move it around. Or if you did not want to achieve this, but instead you just wanted to do a break in here, you can take the same procedure, just go ahead and click over here, Control, and then click, and it's going to delete that part. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.